Both the Flashforge Creator 5 and the Pro have had a very small but welcome update since I last covered one of its biggest annoyances. If you watched my previous video, you'd know I wasn't a fan of the printer simply dumping its purge material onto the floor of the machine. It wasn't a huge issue, but it did make the printer feel a little unfinished, especially on the Creator 5 Pro, where those purge strings could end up hanging around the chamber heater intake and in some extreme cases be sucked inside. At the time, I recommended a community designed purge tray from MakerWorld, which clipped neatly into place under the original purge location and solved the problem really well. Since then though, Flashforge have released a firmware update that changes how both machines handle purging. Firstly, on the Pro, they stopped the chamber circulation fan running during purging, which removed the risk of those purge strings being pulled into the heater intake, but then they also moved the actual purge location for both machines. Unfortunately, that means the original community tray no longer lines up correctly. The good news is that Flashforge haven't just moved the problem and left everyone else to figure it out. They've actually released an official, printable waste filament box themselves, available free from their online wiki. It's a simple two-piece design consisting of a mounting bracket and a removable collection bin that hangs from it. Installation only takes a few seconds. The mounting bracket simply slides onto the opening at the rear of the printer beneath the belt assembly, and the waste bin simply hooks onto the bracket. Flashforge even mentioned that you can secure the bracket with double-sided sticky tape if you want, something a little more permanent, although mine stayed perfectly in place without it. Once installed, the new purge location now drops directly into the bin itself instead of onto the base of the printer. It's a simple solution, but it's exactly what should have been there from the beginning. One thing worth mentioning if you own the Creator 5 Pro is material choice for the bin. Because of the heated chamber, I'd avoid printing this in PLA. ABS, ASA or another high temperature engineered filament is going to be a much better option if you regularly use chamber heating. One thing that I do quite like is that the original community tray doesn't actually have to be redundant. Because the nozzle wiper is still at the front of the machine, you can leave the original tray in place underneath the wiper area if you still want somewhere to catch any stray bits of filament or debris that fall during cleaning, while using the new official waste box at the rear for the relocated purge material. So in the end, I do think Flashforge deserves some credit here. They listened to feedback, addressed the chamber fan issue in firmware, relocated the purge position, and then released an official, printable solution for the new design. It's a small update, but it makes day-to-day use of Creator 5 and the Creator 5 Pro just that little bit cleaner and a little bit more polished. Granted, this should all have been there from day one before it hit us end users, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.